In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create stunning Instagram posts using Canva. Whether you're sharing life updates, promoting your brand, or just having fun with design, this step-by-step guide will help you create posts that not only look professional, but are also quick and easy to make. First, head over to Canva's website. If you haven't already, log into your account or sign up if you're new. Once you're logged in, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. Type in Instagram post and press enter. This will bring up a collection of templates that are perfectly sized for Instagram. Canva's library has a mix of free and premium options, all designed to help your posts reach and engage your audience effectively. Since we're focusing on free templates, look for ones without the crown icon. Scroll through the options and pick a template that fits your style or the theme you have in mind. Choosing the right template is important because it gives you the perfect foundation for your design. Take a little time here to explore and find something that really speaks to your vision. Once you've found your template, click on it. To open the design page, you'll see a button that says Customize this template. Click it to start making it your own. Now comes the fun part. Here, you can adjust text, swap out images, change colors, and more. Each change should match your branding or the story you want to tell. Don't be afraid to experiment. This is where your creativity shines. To make certain parts of your design stand out, use the highlight feature. This tool lets you draw attention to specific text or graphics, which is perfect for promoting events, sales, or important messages. Highlighting effectively guides your audience's focus exactly where you want it. And just like that, you have a beautifully customized Instagram post ready to share. You can save your design and post it directly to Instagram, knowing it's visually striking and engaging for your followers. The more you practice, the better you'll get at personalizing each design to fit your needs perfectly. So keep experimenting, have fun, and watch your Instagram posts get more attention than ever before. Thanks for watching and happy designing.